Hello guys, nowadays are boring. I know it is same with you too. There are many reasons like corona, ban of PUBG and especially the online classes. I was feeling dull, so I searched for new movies and games. While searching, I came across a simple, interesting and easy game which is color choosing. It is simple to create. It not only gives us enjoyment, it also helps in increasing our brain power. And at last you will find a new interesting magical rainbow which is created using Python. And at last I will say watch the video till end. Who knows, at the end of the video you may find an interesting thing. Without wasting any time, let me introduce myself. My name is Ravan. Welcome to my channel Be Anonymous. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you are also willing to do the same game, then I provide the code over the Telegram, and the Telegram link is below in the description box. And if you really like this video, then like and subscribe, and don't forget to share with your friends. Peace.